Windy weather. I've got sand in my eyes even though I've got the sunnies on. Oh, that's bad. I apologise about the wind again. But welcome back, guys. I'm Nick. You're watching DoctorOctane and it is freaking windy. I can feel my beard getting blown around in this wind. That's how windy it is. It's pretty disgusting. Pretty bad. Not particularly enjoyable, but with a top of 19, this is about the coldest spring day you'll get in Mildura. Yeah, we'll see what it's like later in the day. I'm off to work. See you soon. Hey there folks, well it's been 24 straight hours of ridiculously windy weather here in Mildura. As you can see, trees swaying in the wind, palm tree going nuts. It's just crazy. And that browny, orangey, reddy colour in the sky is just not going away. It's just awful. I sincerely hope that anyone with any breathing difficulties is not suffering too badly at the moment. Take care of yourself, take care of your pets as well. Make sure your animals are safely locked up and not able to be blown away or injured if something falls on them. And stay safe, everyone. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching.
Jazz Club.